Morning, guys. So here's the plan according to the phone call with my dad this morning. We're going to fuel up the combine there. Andrew and my dad are probably doing it right now. We're going to winterize the Hagee, and then possibly later today we're going to be doing some dirt work. It's super windy outside right now, so we would be moving corn, but that's not going to happen. And then maybe even tomorrow we might be able to get back to harvest, but it's going to be an odds and end day, and we're going to take you with us. This thing has two tires on the front end of it, or enjoyed going flat, so we had to air those tires up. Now we're backing this thing out so we can get it winterized. It sounds like this thing's going to get a trip to the tire shop here maybe later today, get them tires fixed, but first we're going to get it winterized. And to do that, we've got to unfold it, put RB antifreeze in the boom, or in the tanks, and then I run it through the boom, and that's how we get it winterized. Stuff we're using is biodegradable and non-toxic. Well, that's that. The sprayer is now winterized. We might unwinterize it to get it back in the field with it and put a little fall application of herbicide down to keep the fields clean next year. But now I'm on my way to Seymour to go get these tires fixed. Well, the Hagee's dropped off at the tire shop. They said they're going to work on it tomorrow morning. And so we're back to go in to move the skid steer now. There's Bandit out there in the wind. We are actually under a wind advisory. I mean, the wind is really moving. Andrew's out there filling up the combine. He's kind of protected up there in the engine bay. So I'm going to sit in the truck here and wait until the fuel barrel runs empty. And then after that, I think we're going to move the skid steer over to where we're going to be doing dirt work, because we're either doing dirt work tomorrow or we're combining. In yesterday's video, you could see us take those bologna rinds off and put the new tracks on. There you go. Thank you. That's it. Good boy. Stay. Okay. I know. Everybody needs a blue healer. Oh, come on there. must not have been a very busy day at the tire shop because they called my dad and said that the Hagee is done. We were just about ready to head home for the day because it's so unbelievably windy out that you can't hear somebody talking 5 minutes from you. But we're going to run back in to Seymour, pick up the Hagee, get it back home here tonight, call that done. So, but that's pretty good. The Hagee got dropped off at a little afternoon, and it's 3:30, and it's done. Cool. Well, in one of the tires, the valve stem was leaking. The other one had a nail in it. So we got that fixed. I had to run into town anyways because my truck was running on fumes. So Dad's going to take this Hagee back to the shop here tonight, and I get to go home the other way, and we're going to call it a day. So thank you guys very much for watching this video, and we'll see you tomorrow. Watch out, bud.